Getting around MySciLife is easy. All of the important navigation areas stay pinned to the top and right side of the screen as you scroll. On mobile devices, the top menu will be collapsed. Tap this icon to expand the menu. This is the Community menu, which lists all of your MySciLife communities. Click a community name to enter that community. This is the Identity menu, where you keep your collection of identities or personas that you use to interact throughout MySciLife. Click an identity to make it active. This is the Backpack menu, where all of your personal stuff is stored within MySciLife. Things like messages, drafts, posts, bookmarks, and your account information. Teachers have a special menu called Teacher Tools. These will be covered in a separate series of videos. This is the Search feature. To search for content on MySciLife, click the magnifying glass, enter your search terms, and click Go. This is the Log Out button. When you're ready to log out of MySciLife, click here. On the right of the screen, you will find the Library tab. When you click the tab, you will find the main MySciLife resource library, along with other libraries of content for use with your students. This is the Help button, which allows you to view MySciLife user documentation, including other video tutorials, or to contact us for assistance. We'll cover the basics of all these features in the next few videos.